Sir, please do not press that button. In today's video, we're going to try to stop this sir from clicking that button because it will be very bad. You shouldn't. Maybe alright. I still want to press it though. But I'll move my hand slower each time I make a good point. I'm like really cold right now. I'm about to go to the pool, but like, yeah. Look, the dialogue literally changes. You have no clue what's at stake. But it will! But what if I'm right? It's already happened. I need to be quick. I'm from the future. Please, faster. I mean, slower. Yes. I don't think that I had enough time there. Whatever. So restarted. You have no clue what's at stake. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. Whatever. Don't press it. Why was I like twisting? But it will. But what if I'm right? Come on, please. It's already happened. Faster! I mean, go slower, please. Yes. That was a close call. Hopefully it did reset there. A party. Oh, a party. I love parties. We met at the one in the mountains. Got married? No friends? We love Jeff. Shout out to Jeff for accompanying Sir. Why not? And he's gonna press the button right now. I don't think it reset there. Yes, it did. It did change. Why not? Bad memory? This guy literally can't remember anything. Only Jeff would know. Sounds good. I know these. These are literally the opposite. This is so weird. It seems like it's yellow because he's yellow, but it's blue. He's 23. I just randomly picked. He kind of looks like an old man. Most important one. Ronald. You really are, Jeff. Sorry for doubting you. Okay. Are they the developers? Shout out to them. Goodbye, sir. Look, this is so weird. It's you. Look. This is weird. He just floats up in the air. I push him. Would the planet explode? What happened? No, do I just wait here in silence? Okay. I don't want to press that button. I know what it does. It'll blow up the planet. Should I? I'll just wait for something to happen. What if I fall off? No, I can't. So, I guess this is the end of the game. Don't forget to like and smash that red button until it turns right. Bye.